Welcome to this beginner's guide to Boomi, one of the most powerful integration platforms for businesses looking to connect applications, data, and processes seamlessly. If you're just getting started, this tutorial will break down the basics of using Boomi, its key features, and how it can simplify your integration tasks. But before we get started, first, what is Boomi? Boomi, part of the Dell Technologies family, is a cloud-based integration platform as a service. It is designed to help organizations connect their various systems, applications, and data sources to create a unified digital ecosystem. Boomi is widely known for its intuitive, low-code platform, enabling both technical and non-technical users to build integrations quickly. So now let's get started. So simply head over Boomi's website, and from here you can start a free trial. So just click here on the top right, start free trial, and sign up for an account. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. And as you can see, this is the welcome page. So as you can see, Boomi has this features such as API creation, data and apps integration, workflow automation, and much more. So let's click on Get Started. Gonna close. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. In your home page, you will see all of their services, such as the integration, data hub, API management, the flow, event streams, task automations. And from here, you'll see the resources. So they also have this get started section right here where you can watch and learn the basics using here this tutorials. You can also click here on quick start to save time on integration. You can also join their community and explore their connectors. So when you scroll down, you will see a bunch of different connections right here or as you can see, we have this recipe right here to connect NetSuite items to Shopify products. You can start connecting Boomi with any application, and you can click here to go all discover solutions. So the first feature we have here is the integration. So from here in the integration, as you can see, we have our dashboard right here. So we can see what apps we want to connect. So we can select the source apps, let's say Shopify. And what you want to do is just fill all of this up, such as your store base URL, authentication type, and your access token. Later, and we have the target app. As you can see, you can connect your Shopify store to Salesforce, to NetSuite, to Microsoft Dynamics, or Sage. Let's say like that. Put up later. Now, if you want to create this integration, just simply click on Create Process. Now, if you want to see all of your integrations, just scroll down and you will see it all right here in the Recent section. So after we build this integration, we can click here on Deploy. We can deploy, as you can see, we can deploy packaged components. You can go to Manage, which has this process reporting, add to management, the Boomi Assure, your process library, and the trading partner management. So let's go back to our home page. So for the next feature, we have the Data Hub. And from here, we can create repositories. We also have the models right here. We can create our first model. So it specifies fields, sources, data quality steps. Fields and at least one match rule are required. So in order for modern master data to be maintained using Hub, the model must be first published and then deployed to a repository. We also have our sources. So we can create our first source right here too. the reporting, and the stewardship. So next we have uh, the API management. From here, we can, of course, manage all of our APIs. So we can deploy all of our APIs right here. So if you don't have any APIs yet, you can, of course, click here to create an API. So I'm not going to dig deep into that. Next is we have the flow. So as you can see, basically the flow is like our CRM. So we have different sections right here, such as pages, values, connectors, the types, the identity providers, components, assets, and themes. So basically, for the flow, this is all we can do right here. So if you need more information about getting started on building your flow, just click on this here icon right here. Next is we have the event streams. Here in the event streams, you can create, manage, and publish your message queues and streams. So right now it takes too long to load, so we won't be able to dig into that. And the next feature is the task automation. You can optimize repetitive tasks using your automations. So from here, as you can see, you can start with a blank new task or pick a trigger on and some action apps below. So as you can see, we can create automations from Slack and then to your Gmail. Let's say, for example, so from here, just click on next. So as you can see, we have this automations right here. So whenever a channel is connected or is created on Slack, it will automatically send an email to your Gmail account. So these are some automations by Boomi right here. Let's go back to our home page. Basically, that's how the automation works. So now let's go back. Basically, those are the features of Boomi. So if you need more information about how to get started on Boomi, they have a bunch of different tutorials, videos right here, and of course the resources right here, which is the community and training. We have the help docs, dev docs, and support. So just feel free to explore more about how Boomi can efficiently help you in your business needs. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.